Hello traders, Matt Chapman here, the creator of the trademark Trap Traders concepts. Welcome to today's Trap Traders Trade of the Day analysis. Today's date is the 8th of February 2017. Today we're going to take a look at the Aussie dollar. This is on a 4-hour chart. Now I do want to be a seller of this pair, even if this doesn't turn out to be a trap. It's just a little bit ahead of what might turn into a trap. It's what a trap essentially looks like in this case. Before it sets up and in the with respect to a trap rate pullback. So here's the area here, and normal retracement traders get essentially taught to look for levels of resistance. So price pivots off that level, turns away from it, and then it breaks up through the level, and as it pulls back they look to buy off the level. And this is the second time into that level. So if we think about how this looks for them at the moment, it looks kind of nice. This is the hard right edge, and their focus is on price following through to the upside. And as you see, there's buying off the level, and this is what will it's not very exciting buying, but nonetheless it's buying that can convince those traders in. So what we're waiting for may not occur, may follow through to the upside, and it may not happen, but what we're looking for is essentially price to drop down through that level. So they place the stops under here, maybe under this area, most likely below this level, believing it's going to follow through. The market bounces off the levels, so they take some action, they spend some money, and then price goes against them. Now they're in trouble, and we look to take advantage of that. So if it drops through there, comes back, and maybe to the underside of that level, you get an entry. This looks like a pretty good place to get short. The RBA statement, they left the interest rates on hold, but the statement was fairly dovish in tone. To be fair, it was neutral to dovish. There was some bright spots relating to global growth in China, but I think global growth could be in serious trouble if the European story continues to unravel over the next coming months. So this looks like a pretty good trade. Fundamentally, there's no way on earth that the Australian dollar is stronger than the US dollar. You just want to make sure that the stock market's selling off before you have a look at this trade. And if you can have a look at the dollar index as well for dollar strength across the board, that'll help you on your merry way. If you'd like to join me in my inner circle, today actually is our training session day, so joining me today would be a smart thing to do. We've reverse engineered many trading strategies, so if you're a retracement trader and you're wondering why that doesn't work out too well, or if you're a trader of support and resistance and you're wondering why you keep getting caught, then you want to join me, because we're looking at those strategies and then looking for when people are in trouble and then trading against their positions. So it's the opposite to what most people do, and if you want to join me and learn more about these tactics in my inner circle, click the link below, because it makes all the sense in the world. Do it now, and if you like the content, share, tell your friends, and I'll see you on the inside.